Karen Shane, who played so beautifully. So our first speaker this afternoon is someone you know and love, Amy Beza, who's the co-proprietor of Purple Yam, and who's a friend of Josh as well. Amy, say a few words.
Thank you, Jonathan and Carolina, for being so generous for letting us be part of this tribute to Josh. You know, we opened our first restaurant, Sandrian, in Soho in 1995, and Josh was always there. And, you know, we never knew what he did until last year. You know, I remember Romy came to me and said, "Did you know he was a famous scientist?" All I knew was he was a famous eater. And, you know, when he would come to the restaurant, he would come all the time, and he would always make sure to call and say, you know, I'm coming, I'm bringing some friends. Because he always wanted to socialize with us, and he wanted to share his friends. And his friends were just so wonderful. You know, it's like meeting the world and meeting a whole spectrum of intellectuals and artists. So I never knew he was a scientist. So we closed. He lived in the West Village, so he would always just walk to Soho. So we closed Sandrian in March of 2009 and reopened in Ditmas Park in Brooklyn. So, you know, and it was a very tough year for us because, you know, we know what it is, right? Opening a new restaurant and delays and all that. So we opened in November of 2009, and I was very, very insecure about, you know, doing the holidays without our usual backup of regulars from Sandrian. We were a mental block away now from Manhattan. And so, like November, I sat down and I decided I would call all the names of the people that were very, very close to us. And I decided I would email every single person an individual email. And, you know, that was about 100. But I sat for like many hours and many days. And then when I got to Josh, I said, "Hi Josh, long time no see. You know, I know you're very far now and you can't just walk over, but, you know, just in case you're interested, here are our holiday menus, you know." And I was really promoting Christmas and New Year's, right? So, and that was just a very short email. So, the very next night, he walked into the door. And I said, "Oh, Josh, you know, usually he also said, wow, what brings you here?" And he said, "You summoned me. And here I am." And that was a very famous scientist. And I said, "I just said I miss you." "Well, you said long time no see. So that means I better show up." So, you know, that's a story I will never forget. You know, and you know, that's Josh. So thank you for letting me share that with you this afternoon.